Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joy Fuller here to bring you 3 DIYs all in one video. We will be finally uploading the video with the wood cutout of the Terrier dog to the channel tonight. I was going to try to do it last night, but I was exhausted and couldn't get the voiceover done. But you know what? It's finally done just in time for the holidays. And I want to wish you all a happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day. Be safe, have fun, enjoy your friends, enjoy your family. And if there's nothing else, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go. Our first DIY is a dupe of the West White Highland Terrier. As you can see, I have the wood cutout that was featured on my Dollar Tree haul from yesterday. I am removing the tags from this cute little wood cutout, and I have my heating tool trying to loosen up the adhesive that was on the back of the tags so that I can use the scraper tool to try to scrape it off. As you can see here, I was trying to loosen it up a little bit with a baby wipe. Don't ask. I don't know what I was thinking. It didn't work. So now I am drying up the wetness from the baby wipe and still trying to remove the adhesive that was on the back using the scraper tool that I actually purchased from the Dollar Tree. When that didn't work, I knew I could count on my sanding block to do the job, and it did just that. And now that that's been prepped for paint, I am now getting ready to apply a thick coat of the Rust-Oleum white chalk paint. I did purchase this paint from either Amazon or Walmart. As I stated in several videos, I can't remember which one, but you know what? Hey, it doesn't even matter. We are actually painting the Pooch. That's all that matters. And already he's looking, or she is looking, so cute. I think we'll make this one a girl. And I'm using the heating tool to dry the paint faster. I am applying this paint on both sides. Cleaning up some that had gotten on top of my mat. Making sure I get the edges real good. You don't want to see any of the brown from the wood showing through. When doing this, please make sure you create in your dog the way you want to. You can, if you have a dog, you can make it the colors of your pet. I just saw the West Highland Terrier in a magazine and I thought it was the prettiest dog, and when I saw the wood cutout, I said, yeah, this is it. I'm going to use this wood piece to make them. Now making sure that every bit of this dog again is covered in this white paint. And I tell you, when you see this at the end, you're going to be like, oh yeah, that's really cute. And it comes very close to what this West Highland Terrier looks like. For some reason, this paint wasn't drying fast on this wood piece. And now you see me cutting a strip of that dust mop off. You're going to see me fight with it a little bit. I was trying to see if I wanted to just glue it down with the strip on the back, but then I said no, I want it to look more realistic. So I am removing the back strip from the actual fur or the cotton. Since we're making a fluffy dog, we're gonna call this fur. So we're removing the strip from the fur, and because it was sewed on there, I had to use my scissors to cut it away. And now I'm getting ready to use a Mod Podge with hot glue combination and affix this cotton onto our fur, onto our little terrier Pooch. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that the things you've seen so far has impressed you, and I welcome you to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Make sure you like and comment and just interact with me. I'm a nice person. As you can see, I'm just around the edges of the fur. I'm making sure that it's sticking to the wood piece by adding some hot glue. For my day ones, thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be growing. And again, I'm just adding Mod Podge all over this Pooch, and we'll be applying the fur to it in hot glue combination. And if you were watching my Dollar Tree haul video, you saw me bring in some white yarn. When I told you I wish I had that before I started this project, you would understand why, because the only thing I would have had to do was just cut the strips and it would have laid evenly and been perfect and went a lot faster. Nevertheless, I had fun creating this beautiful dupe of the white Highland Terrier. They are expensive, I hear. But they're beautiful. Do you have big plans for this long holiday weekend? I know it's Tuesday, but a lot of people are starting to celebrate this weekend. I don't have any big plans. Like I said, I'm just going to be doing a lot of crafting and just enjoying my time with my family. Probably do a little grilling and, like I said, just crafting. I got a lot of stuff that I need to get done. A lot of organization of some craft supplies, and I got a lot of updates I need to do to the website, and I've got to fill some customer orders. So I'm gonna be busy, but yet all this brings me joy. Thus, Joy Fuller. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, or whatever color it is for your page. Just click on it. Support the channel, share the channel, so that that YouTube algorithm will kick in and start pushing my content out to other people who are looking for affordable DIYs. I love sharing my talent with others. As you can see, I showed you I had applied some adhesive spray to the top of this Terrier, and the reason I wanted it to affix to it so the cotton wouldn't move and settle and come off. And what you can't see is that it was still wet, but I let it dry overnight. And look at it, guys. She is adorable. We're gonna call her Bella. What you can't see is that I added some pearls around her neck as a collar and gave her a pearl eye. Let's go. DIY number 2. We are going to make a 101 Dalmatian dog dupe. And when you see this one, he is adorable as well. And I'm calling him a he because we already have a she. And he's getting a good old coat of that Rust-Oleum white chalk paint. And I'm using my heating tool, as always, to provide me with a faster drying time. This is a good plug. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing so. And now we're going to take the sponge dabber and we are just going to dab dots all over this cute little pooch. I wanted a medium-sized dabber, but mine was Lord knows where. And now I'm using the heating tool or heating gun to dry the paint. And I'm also applying these same dots on the back using the sponge dabber and the black paint from Walmart. It is the Apple Barrel brand. And he's going to turn out cute. And he's going to get a little bonus in the DIY number 3. Keep watching. And now I'm making sure that I get a good look or view of what I want this to look like. So I added a dab of black paint on the ears of the Pooch and a little bit on his snout. And now I am just trimming the outline or tracing the outline of the wood piece in the Apple Barrel black paint. I am dabbing some black paint inside of the circles to cover up the white that's bleeding through a little bit. Now I'm just outlining the top of our pooch. I think we'll call him Brady. Brady and Bella. Brady is going to be so cute. I'm very pleased with the outcome of both of these, or well, all three of these DIYs, but especially the DIY of the doggies. They're so cute. And I'm not just saying that because I created them and designed them. As far as the DIY, they're really cute. If you're still with me, how about putting your favorite dog in the comment section of this video? And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a video. I do bring DIY on a budget to this channel using Dollar Tree and other affordable products. And look at that, guys. Brady is coming along really well. And our last DIY, we are going to create a candle / floral stand for our Brady. Look at him. I can't wait till you see the reveal of this. All I did was painted these wood planks offline, well, off camera, 2 in white and 2 in black to match Brady's exterior. And I have some black and white candle holders / floral holders. I am going to put some boxwood plants inside of those. I did pick the boxwood floors up from Walmart. But feel free to put whatever you want in this little section. That's why I left it open. You can add a 3.5 by 5 picture. You can add a small little whatnot, or just anything. If you want to use it for a collection of mail, where you want to just put your mail in there, you can use it for so many different things. This is just what I came up with in my head, so I had to craft it that way. And I really appreciate you all for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Look at that, guys. Is Brady not cute? And Brady with his stand is even more adorable. I really appreciate your support of my channel. I wish you all a happy 4th of July. Be safe. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.